Here we have our M series head unit here. So they have a built-in DSP chip in here, so obviously improves your sound quality. Now, if your car has a factory built-in amplifier that has a DSP in it, it won't overrun that. So it'll still be using the DSP settings that the car had set up on the factory amplifier. They should be pretty good anyway. Majority of cars that have a factory amplifier are higher end anyway, and the speaker and amp pack are pretty good. For everyone else, obviously, if you go into your apps here down the bottom, looking for the DSP app. Now this is what the app looks like here. Smart sound, balance. This is obviously shift it around like that. This is probably the easiest one to use. So if you're in the car, you're self-driving, front right seat, just make this change. If you're going to make one change, I'll just do that because it'll adjust the delay for all the speakers to suit if there's just the driver in the car. Obviously you can go a bit further and manually set it. Equalizer. So for the majority of people, if you do play with this stuff, you understand it. If you don't, basically you can just do this setting here, suit the majority of people. Sub out again if you have a sub hooked in, but again it depends if your amp has its own DSP on it, you won't need it. And front and rear filters. So that's a DSP app that's built into the unit.